4 months in, over 10,000 positive cases and hundreds of lives lost. Mayor Doug Nicholls believes only time will tell if the city truly handled this pandemic properly.
A situation where there is no handbook, there really is no path forward. I think we've handled it well. However, there could have always been better.
But is there a right answer when faced with a global pandemic? Some residents disagreed with the mayor voting against the mask mandate, ultimately approved by the city council last month. While Nicholls declined to speak on that decision.
I'm really not going to go back into that vote because we unify behind the votes of the council.
Locals also criticized Nicholls for his backseat approach throughout the pandemic, comparing him to mayors of San Luis and Somerton who've actively spoken out. In Wednesday's one-on-one interview, Nicholls pointed out the numbers. In previous months, South County has accounted for close to half of the COVID-19 cases, with Somerton far surpassing numbers than San Luis. But the mayor says although we're 3 separate cities, Yuma County is one community.
Not trying to pit one city against another. We're in this together. We have one set of healthcare resources. We have one economy, essentially, in the way we relate and the way people work. And so to try to dice it up is not really effective in how we can manage this thing.
The mayor has unashamedly stated he is following the governor's lead on mandates and restrictions and leaving it up to the county health department for the data.
They're the ones that can knowledgeably talk about the impacts that happen on a pathological level, on any sort of level of the virus that I don't have the resources on.
Mayor Nicholls is paying close attention to the deaths per day as a strong indicator of change.
And until we really see that number take a strong turn countywide, we're going to have some issues that we need to continue to address as a community.